Let me show you how we can print out Google Slides presentation. By default, you should see the printer icon in the main toolbar, just here next to Redo Undo buttons. You click on that, you will need to wait a moment, and then you will have your standard printer pop-up, and you can change the printer here and adjust the printer setup. If you cannot find the icon, you can also go to File, and the print is here as well. And as you can see, we got additional option like a print preview or page setup. That's gonna be handy if you got some specific size in mind. Maybe you want to print this as the standard 4x3. Keep in mind, this will mess up your whole design if you change it just before print, as you can see. All right, let's undo that. And let's talk about my favorite way of printing stuff out. I do not press this button myself. I usually go to File, and then I like to export and download as PDF. So head for the download button, search for PDF. PDF is the most print-ready document we can get here. So first I download this slideshow as PDF. Here it is. Then I open the PDF in the local PDF browser, whatever you have on your computer. Can be even the Chrome, as you can see. So that's my PDF. I can now see proper slides with all of the animations and special effects erase, stuff that cannot be printed, all of the motion and transition and stuff like that. So now we got the print ready document of 4 pages. And now I print this PDF document. So that's my favorite way. Not directly from Google Slides, simply download the PDF and then print it out. You will have a bit more control what you're printing. And you also got this digital copy as well that you can keep. All right, I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.